Have you ever wondered how you can make your daily prayers more meaningful? Incorporating Salawaat into your prayers is a beautiful way to connect with your faith. Start by adding Salawaat after each of your daily prayers. It's quick and impactful. You can also recite a few Salawaat during your prayer breaks. It helps to calm the mind. Consider setting a specific time each day dedicated to Salawaat. Consistency is key. Speak Salawaat quietly during your daily routine, like while walking or cooking. It's a simple adjustment. Finally, remember to incorporate Salawaat into your special occasions or gatherings. It brings people closer. Make Salawaat a part of your daily life and you'll feel its incredible impact. So, start today.